Hi, I'm Dhyan Blore from Natural Splendour Gardening and Horticulture, and I'm here to talk about the benefits of mulching. Mulching is one of the most useful things gardeners can do to conserve soil moisture in dry times. Mulching can reduce soil moisture loss from soils by as much as 60%. Mulching also helps keep soils cooler, which is of real benefit for many of our northern European plants that do better with a cool root run. Mulch, when it breaks down, provides a valuable source of organic matter for soils. And organic matter is like a sponge, holding moisture in the topsoil where plant roots need it most. The type of mulch you choose will depend on the type of plants you are growing. For example, small, delicate plants like vegetable seedlings are best mulched with a fine, lightweight mulch like pea straw or sugarcane mulch. For general garden use, a more coarse mulch like wood chip mulch will be more durable, as well as more economic. These mulches can be bought per cubic metre, which will be more cost effective than purchasing bagged mulches. The finer the particle size, the quicker your mulch will decompose. You can make your own mulch using autumn leaves and running over it with a catcher on your mower, and you'll end up with a product like this. It's best to apply a slow-release organic fertiliser under the mulch, as the decomposition process will draw nutrients out of the soil. Pelletised poultry manure is suitable for most plants, or choose a low-phosphorus fertiliser for native plants. Spread the mulch to a depth of around 3 centimetres for sugarcane mulch on vegetable beds, or around 8 centimetres when using wood chip mulch. Keep an area of about 3 or 4 centimetres free of mulch around plant stems to avoid fungal diseases from developing. Let's talk about water-smart watering systems. Watering systems which place water below the mulch are highly efficient. If using drip ease irrigation, make sure the lines are placed beneath the mulch. Mulch also helps conserve water for potted plants.